Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your files using Google Drive. So if you have files on your computer or laptop and then let's say you want to format your PC but you don't want to lose anything or any files on your computer, you can use Google Drive to back up the files. So what you need to do is just upload the files from your computer into Drive. You can tap on New in here and choose to file upload or folder upload. You can choose between these two. I'm going to just go with file upload and then choose the files that you want to back up. For example, I'm going to back up let's say this. Okay, this video is right here. You can click on the files that you want to back up and tap on open and the file will be uploading. So now you have your backup. So you have the file online and also offline. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.